Why are we dressed up like this?
Because it's wedding season and it's my favorite time of the year. So all the good food, dance, sweets, drinks.
What do you think about the food we have in the weddings?
I mean, the food is amazing. Like, for example, and many people don't know this, but you should be starting your meal with a dessert, with something sweet, not at the end of the meal. So whenever I tell my clients the same thing, वो लोग इतने शॉक हो जाते हैं. They are like, really? Because हम लोगों को तो sweets last में खाने की आदत है.
Yeah.
Right.
So desserts first. Always.
Dessert always first, because when you have it at the end of the meal, because you're already full, you're already stuffed with all the food, matlab roti, sabzi, so your digestion slows down when you have, sweets on top of it. So your liver is like, okay, I can't deal with this right now, let me store this as fat. One, when you have dessert first, you're also enjoying it like peacefully, and second, you actually avoid overeating later because you're already full from the dessert. You subconsciously avoid overeating.
And what about alcohol?
Depends how you have it, how much you have it, what time of the day you have it, because weddings में तो सब सुबह से शुरू हो जाते हैं. Even for alcohol, what I suggest my clients is that you don't eat and drink at the same time. Usually, this is the culture, like whenever we eat, we have a drink on the side, but that is the wrong way to have. Like usually, even when you go like to a restaurant, you order food, you order drinks, it's like side by side, right? So how it should go is you start with your meal first, give like a gap of 10-15 minutes, 20 minutes, and then you start drinking. What happens when you have alcohol is as soon as the alcohol enters your body will detect it as poison and it will start breaking it down. तो जो digestion process है वो side हो जाता है. Body will first focus because वो उसका primary goal हो जाएगा कि poison आ रहा है अंदर, like we have to first break it down. And the thing is, when you have alcohol and food together, there is a chance that you can overeat. So it is always better to have a like full-fledged meal before you drink. Give it some time.
पीने के बाद ज़्यादा भूख लगती है.
पीने के बाद भूख लगती है, but then you can have some carbs.
पर फिर प्रोटीन इनटेक नहीं हो पाएगा ना.
Have it before you drink. So the
तो पहले
sequence should
पनीर
be
चिली खा लो, फिर दारू पी लो, फिर नॉर्मल
any carbs, because carbs
राइस खा
digest
लो.
easily, yeah. So it will be easier on your gut also, and because you're having carbs, you'll be satisfied also. तो उतना hunger pangs भी नहीं होगा.
What about hangovers?
So there are a couple of things that you can do to avoid hangovers or maybe to recover from it. Hydrate yourself well, drink enough water throughout the day, have more of fiber. So eat more fruits, more vegetables, sleep well, because sleep is very, very important because you've had a really long night. So it's better to sleep properly the day after. And 3 very important supplements to have after a crazy night. One is electrolytes, any ORS, you can go for coconut water as well. And the second one is vitamin C, it helps with immunity. The third one is zinc.
As a nutritionist, how do you enjoy yourself during a wedding?
So couple of guidelines that I tell my clients also. जो वो floating snacks होता है, avoid that because that can be a bigger disaster for your weight loss journey or just for your health. In fact, because that if you keep munching on different food items, that means you're eating for next 3 hours. That means your body is digesting food for next 3 hours. Yeah. I always eat at once. Like I just take a plate and eat everything together. I don't keep munching on different food items. So that is a really good way to maybe enjoy
तो
everything.
3 Idiots में एक प्लेट में सब चीज़ें लेकर खाते हैं वैसे.
हमें क्या है, हमें तो अपना बटर पनीर पे ध्यान देना है. So that is a good way to enjoy a meal without feeling guilty.
I think एक साथ सब रख के प्लेट में. But what do you think, like एक ideal plate पोर्शन साइज क्या होना चाहिए, क्या क्या खाना चाहिए? Say if someone is on a weight loss journey or having a strict diet and for them it's very difficult to have everything all at once, क्योंकि शादी में तो सब कुछ ही होता है.
So, like I said earlier, कि एक ही time पे खा लो. Don't keep munching on food. There's a guideline from Harvard. What a healthy plate should look like is basically in a plate, half of the plate should be the fiber part. So that can be your fruits, that can be your vegetables. The 1/4 should be your protein. So that can be any efficient protein. Paneer is easily available. Chole ho gaya, yeah, any protein source. The other 1/4 portion, that will be your carbs. So that can be your roti, that can be your rice. Try to avoid oily or fatty food, but yeah, maybe like in small portions, sure. And just make sure during the wedding you are drinking enough water, you are moving enough, so at least you reach your step goal.
Yeah, वो I think dance में हो ही जाता है.
Yeah, it's like a workout only.
Yeah.
Chalo, enough of this educative content. Let's play a game. So there is a game called Fit or Fake Fit. So I'll give you a question or a statement, and you have to tell me if it's fit or fake fit.
Yeah. So I'll ask you the first question.
Sure.
Wearing a smartwatch at a wedding to track steps, fit or fake fit?
Fit.
Fit.
Eating salad first at the buffet, fit or fake fit?
Fake fit. Who eats a salad?
I do.
वो तेरा काम है यार. I don't eat salads.
But you should.
Okay. Skipping meals before wedding, fit or fake fit?
Fake fit. You don't really need to skip any meal.
I do sometimes. Yeah. क्योंकि शादी में फिर इतना सारा खाना होता है, ऐसा लगता है ये मिस हो जाएगा, मुझे वो भी खाना था, ये भी खाना था.
Drinking lemon water before the wedding, fit or fake fit?
Fake fit.
Of course.
Choosing wine to stay healthy. Wine is good for health, heart
Fake
health.
fit.
It is scientifically
Fake
proven.
fit. It is still alcohol.
But better option than the rest of the
Sure, but still alcohol. Treating dance practice as cardio.
fake fit.
Really?
Yeah.
I mean,
It's meant to be enjoyed, not to be,
yeah, but in
not
some
to
way
track
it is,
your, I don't,
some way it is a cardio, type of cardio, right? So why not?
drinking coffee before the wedding to boost metabolism.
Fake fit. Skipping dinner because of tight outfit. Fit or fake
Fit.
fit?
Yeah.
Seriously?
Okay, fake fit.
Taking shots instead of cocktails to avoid calories.
I don't drink, so I have no opinion on this.
I would say fake fit. Mixing different types of alcohol.
Again, I don't drink, so
Fake fit.
can you ask me non-alcoholic questions?
Asha, this one is actually for you. Saying I'll only taste it and eating a full dessert instead.
Yeah, you start with moderation, and if you like it, so you can have a full meal
How should you have it? Dessert always?
first.
Yes.